All right, first thing, let's dive into powdered nutrients versus liquid fertilizer, right? So many people claim that 99% of the liquid in liquid fertilizer is water. So you're mostly paying for water. My question is, how much liquid fertilizer bottle is water? And is all of that actually required, right? Like I know water needs to be in there so, chemicals don't bind together,
Right.
unexpectedly and so forth. But is it true that 99% is water? Are companies ripping off consumers by giving excess water in their fertilizer?
That's hard. There's not exactly a clear-cut answer to that. So water suspends, right? Water's a solvent. There's only a certain amount of salt you can put into water till it starts falling out. I mean, imagine you putting in sugar into a glass of water. It's going to dissolve, it's going to dissolve, it's going to dissolve till you put too much in there, and then it's going to start falling out, and it won't go into it. So, from a chemical point of view, you do need water. You do need other dissolution agents like weak acids and things like that to kind of keep all the salts broken down, to keep everything from binding together, like you said. But commonly, it's like 50 to 80% water usually. I try to keep that on the low end for when I make my liquid formulations. But there's a lot of, the hydroponic industry is taking all these concentrated salts and putting them in the liquid form and diluting them essentially. Powdered salts being as the most concentrated, we do have a smaller amount of salts going into the hydroponics. So most of the time it is watered down salts. And everybody sells the same general formulations with the same amount of water in it, and it's pretty wasteful, especially when you get to like the shipping end of things. So quick answer, 50 to 80%. Long answer, doesn't always apply to that.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.